and off for a morning walk. Lil Sis is joining us for a short while. Basically, she's going to the bus stop. And as you can see, it's raining. So actually it didn't rain through the night or even evening later when we left Piernice. It only started about an hour ago. Yeah, and Lisa says I don't mind. But yeah, now we will have once again these puddles and unconsiderate drivers. No, Lizzy, capridi. Yeah, so most likely it didn't rain before because it was very windy here. And a couple of minutes ago there was still quite let's say big gusts of wind going on, but it stopped, well, for now. So yeah, today we will have apparently rain, then 2 or 3 days of no rain, and then more rain. And Lisa says, what are you doing at the LizaTheMalamute? She's putting in the money, buying her monthly pass. Okay, let's go. And we have already lost Lil Sis. She went only to the LizaTheMalamute to get her monthly pass, and then she went back to home because mom will drive her to her riding lesson, and then she will come home via the bus. You can see, always fun, and especially and if the car, well, usually if there is a truck with high speed, it can splash all the way on this side of the pavement. Now imagine that you are, this guy, cyclist, enjoying the almost. So yeah, and those that are keeping track on which day it is, you know that it's Monday, but because tomorrow is work-free national holiday, the Ministry of Education decided to give the pupils, the students, this Monday off. So basically they have 4-day weekend. Yeah. But for us dog walkers, it's the ordinary day. Friday, Sunday, holiday, weekday, rainy day, sunny day, we need to be outside on the walk with our dog. Yeah. But yeah, today, as you can see, I brought umbrella with me because it was raining too much. But now has stopped. Yeah. Well, stopped. it's not so strong as before. But yeah, it's enough for Liza to be completely wet. Ah yeah. Okay. We will see if we will meet Nar later, so we will stop recording on this point.